Finnovation. A lot of times I'm riding my unicycle, which you know I love to do. If you watch some of my other videos, go watch them now. I fall down and I can't get back up. There's nothing to hold on to. So the obvious question is,
what do you do when you fall down and there's nothing to hold on to get back up?
there's something called a freemount. That's when you get on your unicycle without anything there. So you just kind of hop on your unicycle and start riding. I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Stick all the way to the end to figure it out. Okay, the first thing you want to do when learning to freemount a unicycle is make sure that you've kind of got a slight downhill. So it doesn't have to be pretty big, and you don't want it to be too big because otherwise you'll just fall forward. But you want it to just be just enough that it can help you get started. So you want to put your dominant foot on the top pedal so you can use it to push down. The hardest part is just getting started. If you can already ride a unicycle, this is super easy. And if you cannot already ride a unicycle, do not watch this video. Go watch my other video, how to ride a unicycle. So you should probably be able to, pretty comfortably ride a unicycle before learning this. So you want to put your less dominant foot on the bottom, and it should be like the bottom, so the pedal should be more vertical. You want to use your right foot and push down, and hope you can get started. There we go. Okay, here's a tip for when you are starting to learn how. It's okay to hold on to something like a sign to get started. This just makes sure so that, when you get started, what I would do is, so you can get on the unicycle without having to, fall over and stuff. But what the real challenge is going to be is just letting go and then starting. This helps a lot. All right, so again, you want to make sure that you're just getting enough forward momentum to keep yourself going. So you can't even push with your back, like your most dominant foot, so you can get that momentum. So I'm gonna push with this foot off the ground and put it on that pedal as fast as I can, and just hope I start going. There we go. Just so you know, I am still learning this. I have not completely mastered it, and it is okay to flail your arms around while starting up. Also, I said this in my unicycle video, when you're still learning how to ride a unicycle, you definitely should be flailing your arms around to make sure you're keeping your balance. So, another thing, make sure your tires are full. If your tires aren't full, it's going to be so much harder to start up. Whoop. And it's okay to fail, it just takes a ton of practice. There we go. Wow, I hope you learned how to freemount. Just remember, you've got to keep practicing on your unicycle.
Unicycle, Finn, that reminds me of a joke.
What is it?
What's the difference between a poorly dressed man on a bicycle and a well-dressed man on a unicycle?
What?
A tire.
Whatever. Thanks for watching. If you like those jokes, hit that like right now. Thanks for watching. Bye!